deeper meaning of the word commitment, and I hope ito po yung maging pundasyon ko, is your obligation or your responsibility to one another. So yun po daw ang dapat na salitang commitment para sa inyo. Next po is conscious. Ano daw po ba ang conscious? Conscious meaning you have to be self-aware. Kailangan alam niyo daw po kung anong pangangailangan ng bawat isa. Not just physically, emotionally, financially, all aspects. Hindi lang daw po dapat alam, dapat daw po ay ito ay tutugunan. So you have to be responsive also to the need of your person. And lastly, bakit daw yourself, yung katabi mo, you are committed to him. So I hope po this short advice will help our two focus po on your marriage life. Sige po, may request po the brides and grooms to rise. Tayo po tayo. The brides and grooms shall now affirm their willingness and qualifications to enter this contract of marriage. They shall also confirm that they accept this contract to be binding and permanent under the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. The brides and grooms shall say we do if they agree with the following statements. Sagot lang po ng do you swear to take this marriage as a special contract of permanent union for the establishment of conjugal and family life?
We do.
Do you swear to oblige yourselves to live together, observe mutual love, respect, and fidelity, and render mutual help and support?
We do.
Do you swear to abide by the laws of the Philippines on marriage and family life?
We do.
Thank you very much. I request one po the witnesses to rise. Ayun po tayo witnesses. The witnesses here shall bear testimony to this union and confirm the qualifications of the bride and groom that they sponsor. They shall say we do if they agree with the following statements. Do you swear that the bride and groom are personally known to you?
We do.
Do you swear to the best of your knowledge and belief the bride and groom are entering into this contract of marriage voluntarily?
We do.
Do you swear to the best of your knowledge and belief the bride and groom possess all the qualifications to enter this contract of marriage? Thank you very much. You may now take your seats.